How to fix OneDrive sync error or not syncing files. So first, you just have to simply open your OneDrive account, and then here you have to go to your settings and then tap the square icon or settings again. Now you can unlink this to PC so that you can unsync any files from this PC. After this, you can now go to your start menu and then open your OneDrive or type OneDrive. So basically, it should solve the problem. Once you open this, you should see your files right here, or your files should be now synced. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, if this one didn't work, then you just have to simply go to your OneDrive. And if you have upgraded your plan, or if you're not using the basic version, you should see the sync option right here. And if you can see that, then it's time to upgrade your plan. So in order for you to upgrade your plan, you just have to look for the upgrade plan right here, and then just pay and purchase the premium or upgraded plan. So basically that's it. If you can't do that in the PC, then you need to do that inside the OneDrive account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.